There's nothing wrong with enhancing the flavor of a dish with a little salt. The problem is in how much sodium Americans consume on a daily basis.
Excessive sodium consumption can lead to high blood pressure, which increases your risk for heart disease and stroke. And those are the leading causes of death in the United States. So excessive sodium consumption is a growing public health concern. Most people actually consume double the recommended limit.
Over 75% of the sodium people consume comes from processed food in restaurants. Thanks to a 3-year federal grant, Clark County Public Health implemented a sodium reduction program for local non-chain restaurants.
The work is really to help them make gradual small changes in their recipes and throughout their menu, because when we have everyone working together to reduce sodium, it can have a significant impact on health. We're one of just a handful of communities that has this funding in the nation, so we're really excited, and our restaurant community has just stepped up to the plate and has been really eager to partner with us.
The county has been a huge support. The technical assistance has been incredible, just in terms of helping us understand and do a nutritional analysis to know what the health basis of our food. When we designed the menu in the first place, we had a lower sodium mindset, but they've helped us in ways, creative ways, to lower our sodium in our food.
Okay, thank you so much.
To give insightful tips on how to enhance flavor and taste while reducing sodium, Clark County has sponsored 2 free culinary workshops for local restaurant owners and chefs.
Today we talked about flavor versus taste. Taste is a physiological response to sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Flavor comes from cooking techniques and certain ingredients that impart flavor of whatever that food is into a dish. Today we learned about balancing taste as a way to make a dish taste complete without just relying on more and more salts to enhance the flavor.
I was at the workshop, very, very helpful, and that's where I learned about roasting. Just that weekend I was going to do 2 different types of salsa, and he talked about roasting the tomatillos, and I'm like, what a great idea. And it just the fire roasted flavor just really comes out instead of adding extra salt.
What I'm making today is our Southwest quinoa. What we do to keep this low sodium, we use different sets of acids. So in this recipe, for instance, I'm using red wine vinegar, and I've got some fresh lime juice goes in. And this really gives it the illusion of salt. It helps to open up the pores in the mouth. Another addition that we use is fresh herbs. I've got some fresh cilantro, and then I add our house-made seasoning, and it's got a chili powder, a little cayenne, a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of white pepper. It's very healthy, low sodium, low calorie, and it's a really good fresh summer dish.
As part of the program, participating restaurants are challenged to reduce sodium by 20%. The county also suggested adding more healthy choices in some smaller portions, as well as more healthy options on the kids' menu.
One of the things that I found very interesting was that when Melissa came in and she told us the requirements, just like that a 20% reduction in sodium is not detectable to the guest. And I didn't believe that to be true, but we tested it, and sure enough, it was true. So we just went through all of our recipes and just reduced everything by a minimum of 20% on the salt. What is fun for me is starting to introduce some of the newer items. So kale, a superfood, has become one of the hot things to put into your salads now. So we mix kale and spinach in our kale spinach berry salad. It's still one of the most craveable salads that we feature right now.
We do offer smaller portions on our menu. We do get compliments on the half sizes. But on the kids menu, we also do wild-caught salmon, chicken breast, and healthier options.
In Clark County, we're so lucky. They've really been eager to step up to the plate, be a part of the initiative. A lot of restaurant owners have said these are things that my customers are asking for, so it's a win-win for them. They're responding to customer demand and also improving the health of our community.
For their willingness to change their menu so customers have healthy choices, the participants in the county's sodium reduction program receive our personal best.